Hey, it's Eagle Runner Bill. I'm going to do a little maintenance on my bush hog, get a little tune up, get the hydraulics running and lift that thing up. Get it up there. Remember, when you're working on farm equipment, it's always heavy and dangerous. So don't trust any hydraulics with your life. I'm going to put some concrete blocks underneath the bush hog. So if my hydraulics give out, it won't fall on top of me and hurt me. So block your bush hog, chalk your tractor wheels, and set the brake. You don't want this thing rolling on top of you either. I got a pneumatic air gun and a wrench. First thing I'm going to do is make sure all my mounting bolts and screws are good and tight and none of them are broken. Crawl under there and tighten them up. They all seem good and tight. Check all of them. Inspect everything. Look for any obvious bad damage. Any stuff that's caught in the blades, go ahead and get rid of it. Seems to be moving pretty freely. And I'm going to take and get some WD-40 and kind of just rinse off all the areas that they rub together, and maybe this is going to lubricate it, push out any big chunks of sand or gravel that might be caught in there, or pieces of tree barks or stump. But you want these blades to spin freely. They work off centrifugal force, and hopefully by keeping it clean and keeping grease on them, might extend their life a little bit, so I'm not having to replace them all the time. A lot of times I use a little brush. The brush, you can usually get that grease down in between, further down, but I couldn't find it this morning, so I'm just trying to jam it in there with my finger. Do both blades, give them an inspection, make sure they move freely. Rinse them down with that WD-40 and grease it up wherever the metals rub. Hopefully that's going to minimize the amount of friction in the machine itself, cause it not to vibrate so bad, and cause it to smooth out and extend the life of my equipment. But anyways, feels like it runs a little bit smoother. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.